Ultra performance is very important in all Linmore LED products, and that is very exemplified with the Eliminator High Bay. Our design is one of the highest efficacy models on the market today, exceeding 170 lumens per watt. Most of the competition in the marketplace is well under 140 or 130 lumens per watt. We accomplish that by using an abundance of LEDs in each bar. The bars are extruded aluminum design. This is a modular design product in that we make two different bar designs. So we have an outer bar with a 45-degree chamfer, mainly for aesthetics, and then an inner bar that is more square in design. But again, both extruded aluminum. We like aluminum at Linmore LED because it's a cost-effective, effective metal at transferring thermal energy and getting it away from the junction points of the diodes. The Eliminator High Bay series comes in two designs, both a 2-foot model with several wattages available in that design, and separately a 4-foot model that encompasses our larger wattage and lumen package offerings. The range of this product on the low side is 75 watts at 11,500 lumens, going all the way up to our biggest output series, which is the 400 watt model at over 60,000 lumens. From a thermal management perspective, there's two aspects of doing thermal management. One is to manage the junction temperature of the diodes. The second is to keep the driver cool. So the driver is housed in the center chamber that provides a structure for the fixture. You'll see lots of venting. So we have venting on top, venting on the sides of the driver chamber, and lots of venting underneath. So the hot air can rise, draw in cooler air, and keep that going past the driver. Each fixture ships with a 6-foot SO cord already attached to the fixture, so the installer simply needs to connect the power side to a junction box in the facility. 11-foot and 15-foot SO cords are also available, but the base is a 6-foot unit. There are lots of control options on this fixture. Onboard sensors are mounted with this large knockout in the middle. We also have options for wireless controls from many vendors that are in the marketplace. We also have several installation methods for the fixture. This is our pendant mount bracket. So the bracket mounts securely to the fixture, and then the conduit can come down into the top of the pendant mount bracket. Our most popular option for installing the Eliminator High Bays is our adjustable aircraft cable set. So the fixture comes with steel brackets that are part of the framing of the fixture. It's very simple to attach the cables to the fixture without any tools. And then it comes with an 11-foot section of aircraft cable that is adjustable, so the installer can get the fixture at the desired height from the purlin, or simply to level out the fixture in a ceiling that angles up. By depressing the sides of this adjuster, the cable can go in and out to set that height that the installer wants. When this is released, the cable is then locked. Another popular cable set is our fixed cable length. So these have hooks built into the cable set that snap into the steel bracket in the fixture, and then can be attached to the purlin, either with the carabiner that is supplied on the end, or the carabiner can be removed, and a fastener of the installer's choice can be used to secure this to the purlins. In addition to thermal management, we also care a lot about optics. And so there's a couple of different options available in the Eliminator High Bay. The standard lens is a clear design. So that is the maximum amount of lumens that comes out of the fixtures going clear. We also have frosted optics. So at the plant in Fresno, California, the frosted lenses are chosen. Then these slide into the aluminum bars, and we would slide in the frosted lens. And then lastly, we have aisle optics. So this is a more advanced optical design that focuses light downward to eliminate both the sides of racking, but mainly to bring those lumens down to the bottom of a racked aisle warehouse. And that also slides into the design, and this just narrows up the beam angle to accomplish that. Overall, we consider the Eliminator High Bay one of our category killers. This is one of the products that Linmore makes that kind of hits everything in the marketplace very well, from a great design, aesthetics, efficacy, thermal management, warranty, probably most important to the end user, is price. Thanks for taking a look at our Eliminator High Bay.